Hi everyone, welcome to my nail art tutorial where I will guide you through creating a 6 fabulous nail design that will make your nails pop. You will discover step by step instruction for each unique design. Lime elegance, we will start with the vibrant lime green base. I will show you how to apply trendy stickers for a touch of glamour. Second, brown and pink fusion. Watch as I combine earthy brown and playful pink to create a sophisticated yet fun nail art masterpiece. And you will create star. Third, aqua beauty with sticker. Dive into the refreshing world of aqua nails with the splash of sticker for an extra flair. Gold with stickers. Learn how to achieve a dazzling gold nail design with captivating stickers to make your nails shine. Shades of grey. I will guide you through creating a chic gradient effect using dark grey and light grey shades for a sleek modern look. And you see this design, make sure you like it design. So please support me and subscribe my channel for new updates. Green and blue delight. Finally, we'll explore a vibrant combination of green and blue to create a lively nail design that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you are a nail art enthusiast or just looking to try something new, this video is packed with creative ideas to help you achieve stunning nail art design effortlessly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting nail art tutorials.